Also, I forgot to mention one important thing. I think I bought the computer for, if I remember correctly, I tried to find the receipt, but I didn't find it. Because I think once I was past the warranty, I just deleted the email for the receipt. I think it was 1,500, I think, 100 off. But with time, it's gonna still make money, those videos. But I don't really mind. It's like, I can't really complain, you know. But yeah, that was a side note I forgot to mention. Alright guys, I'll do a different video for this time. I thought I would make a playlist with how much I made with this computer. It's a computer I bought around 2 years ago on Best Buy, the website. I didn't look at it at the store, which I won't say I regret it, but times were different 2 years ago because I know a lot about computers, but back then and 2 years ago there was like a huge like crisis with computer chips and whatever. GPUs were skyrocketing in price and whatever, like most of you know. So it wasn't really my older computer. The GPU kind of gave up, so I thought might as well change because it was due for a change anyway. It was getting slower and slower and not really up to date. So I thought I would upgrade, but looking at the upgrades, it was like almost the price of a pre-built computer, some of those GPUs. So I thought maybe if I buy like a pre-built with a GPU that's a bit less performant than what I would usually get. So I did this playlist. As you can see down there, those are all the videos I made related to this computer. And some of them got a fair decent bit of views and some didn't down below. I'm not really a computer channel at all, but I just thought I would add it up all, and this is pretty much what you see here, but with the numbers I get, like here for example.
So you get
It's like what I was saying, those are all in Canadian, so that's all Canadian money. So yeah, just as a proof this is true. So yeah, I noted like the one that made the most, and added up all the views approximately, because these like 600, 400, whatever, I didn't really add up. I just put 1,500, which I think would equate to about that, I think. And this, all of them combined, was around $939 and 280,000 views, which I think is a good number. $939. It wasn't really, when I made those videos, I didn't think some of them would get a lot of views, like the first one and the second one. Those two I didn't really expect, but it made sense because back in the day I bought the computer in August, I think, of 2021, I think. 2 years ago, yeah, 2021, around that. And the videos I released around the same time as I bought the computer, and then it was August, so like it took a couple of months. Then Christmas came by, and I guess like people were looking for something to buy at Christmas. And around Christmas, I got I got a lot of views. I think it's, if I can see right there, like one day I made $7 just for this video in November. Then in December, let me see the views. Yeah, views 822 in November, and then it was like 200, 300 views per day, and it continues like this. It's one of those videos that's like getting consistent views. Even to this day, it still gets views. The computer is not terrible, but I made the video to inform people. That's what I mostly do in my videos. If it's not gaming related and something else, it's mostly to inform and maybe give a point of view on what it looks like in the box and whatever. So that's what I was doing it, and you can see here it's still getting views. Like if I do last 7 days, 400, around 400 views, $1.32. Last 28 days, 1,800. Because like I was saying, it's like we're in the like around Christmas time. It always like goes up a bit in that time, and then it flattens out to like 100 and 200 views. This video is gonna still continue making views. I think it's still doing it like 60, 50, 20. It's like it's not much, but it's still money that it makes, you know. It's like I don't really mind the fact that it's doing well, and I was pleased to see that people were commenting and stuff, so that was cool to actually give feedback to people and help out. I make YouTube Shorts video. Those are these videos basically, the ones that are 9:16.
Hi guys, little short video.
If you don't know, those are YouTube Shorts. You get way more money by doing them, but they get like more potential views. Like this one, I got 51,000 views. This one, 58,000. I'll show you guys the difference.
Hi guys.
It's insane. If you have like 51,000 views with this video, I'll zoom in for you. 51,000 views for this video, a YouTube short, which is under a minute. It's $5, so it's not much. If you do this, only 7,000 more views. Only 7,000. It's not much considering it's a 50,000 videos. 50,000 views video. 151. It's like 100 times the number. Not 100, but 10 times the. So you see the difference. It's like it's a lot more, and but YouTube Shorts just makes you like reach out audiences you wouldn't reach normally. So I don't mind. Excuse me for the burp. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and also like I don't know, like it's something that I wasn't really expecting. And I thought, I saw that first video that was doing well, so I thought, oh, I'll do more, like, because people are interested. Like, it's not really about making money, because I'm not making really much money with this YouTube channel, but it's just people are interested, so I try to give what people want at the same time as doing what I feeling like doing, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video, which is gonna be probably a gameplay.